Good morning. Today is Friday and we are going up to the desert today, I think. It's kind of not really the desert, but we're going climbing for the next 2 days. Saturday, Sunday, and we're coming back Sunday. We're gonna do some climbing, do some camping, all sorts of stuff. Let's go. Day 1 climbing complete, technically day 2, because we arrived yesterday, but it was too late to climb yesterday, so kind of just went right to bed. Today we did a lot of climbing. Now we're making dinner, and we're gonna do some more climbing tomorrow before we go back home.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my